Welcome to TechMind, your go-to source for all things tech. In today's video, we'll discuss the important factors to consider when buying a smartphone. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or someone with minimal technology knowledge, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Number 1. Display. So what should you consider when it comes to the display of your smartphone? The display size and resolution are crucial factors. Depending on your usage and preferences, you can choose a display size between 5.5 and 6 inches with full HD or QHD resolution. Manufacturers like Apple, Samsung, and HTC offer smartphones with stunning displays that provide excellent clarity and detail. Number 2. Battery life. Battery life is a significant concern for many smartphone users. No one wants to constantly worry about their phone running out of battery. When choosing a smartphone, pay attention to the battery capacity. Look for devices with a minimum capacity of 3,500 mAh. With advancements in battery technology, manufacturers are now offering smartphones with larger battery capacities, ensuring longer usage time between charges. Number 3. Storage. The storage capacity of your smartphone is essential for storing apps, files, photos, and videos. Keep in mind that the actual available storage is slightly less than the advertised capacity due to the operating system and pre-installed apps. If you prefer to have fewer apps and store less media, 32 GB of storage should suffice. For heavy users who require more storage to install games and to store large media, you can go for like 64 GB or 128 GB. Some smartphones also support expandable storage through microSD cards. Number 4. Security. Nowadays, the majority of smartphones include additional security measures like fingerprint or iris scanners. These are used as passwords to access particular files, documents, or apps, in addition to locking and unlocking a phone. Even a smartphone at the mid-range may be obtained with a fingerprint sensor, but iris scanners are still uncommon and only available in high-end smartphones like iPhone. Since most people now carry smartphones with personal information on them, it is advisable to get a smartphone with these added security features. Number 5. Build quality. A smartphone's build determines its durability. Metal and plastic construction make up the majority of the handset market. Some even have glass-coated panels, but there are relatively few of those. It is advised to choose a metal or plastic-built smartphone if you are one of those people who drops their smartphones frequently, but mistakenly. These metal and plastic-built ones can sustain drops from 2-3 feet, while glass-based handsets are sure to shatter. Number 6. Processor. A smartphone's processing power varies from one device to another depending on several variables, including the operating system version, user interface, bloatware, and more. Smartphones with Qualcomm Snapdragon chipsets like 800 series should enable seamless multitasking for heavy users that frequently use apps in split-screen mode, play demanding games, stream videos, and edit images, videos, and documents online. Basically, the latest chipsets provide high performance. Mobile devices featuring MediaTek processors will satisfy light users who don't do all this heavy-duty work with their phones. Number 7. Camera. The camera quality of a smartphone is a crucial consideration for many users. Whether you're capturing personal moments or need a camera for professional purposes, several factors come into play. Megapixels, pixel size, ISO levels, autofocus, and other features determine the camera's capabilities. Many smartphones in the market offer impressive camera capabilities, including options with multiple lenses for versatile photography. So, choose a camera that suits your photography needs, with higher megapixels and faster shot speeds for enthusiasts and decent performance for casual photographers. At last, price of the smartphone. The price of the smartphone is a deciding factor for many buyers, such as high-end, low-end, or mid-range. Set a budget based on your affordability and explore smartphones within that range. Remember, you can find devices that meet your requirements at various price points. It's essential to strike a balance between the features you need and the price you're willing to pay. By considering these factors, you can make an informed decision when purchasing a smartphone. Take your time to research and compare different models to find the perfect device that meets your needs and budget. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding the key factors to consider when buying a smartphone. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to TechMind for more exciting tech content, and hit the notification bell to be notified of our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.